What's a belly dance beginner recital or Hafla like? Come along with drummer Bob and me as we attend the Anam belly dance student recital. Marhaba dancers, I am Jensuya, helping you to achieve your belly dance dreams with the technique and culture of belly dance. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure that you get every one of our videos that we upload each Monday and sometimes on Thursdays too. My own first performance was at a fairly large Hafla. It was really fun, but as I look back on it, I realized I was pretty unnerved by it. So when my friend Lindsay who runs Anam Belly Dance, called and said, hey, would you and Bob come and perform at our student recital? I was like, yes, and Lindsay, what if we check with the students and see if we could do a vlog? Because I know that when I was starting, I would love to have seen what's a recital like. Let's find out who the students are, how much experience they've had as they're doing their performances, and we'll meet Lindsay. If you're super excited to just get to the belly dance recital, smash the like button right now so I know you like this kind of video and we can make more. Yalla Habibi, let's go. This is my friend Lindsay who started Anam belly dance, what, less than a year ago, right?
Yeah, just about.
Okay, so tell everybody about your belly dance journey, how you started belly dancing and why you started Anam.
Yeah, so I've been a dancer for like 25 years. My background is in ballet, jazz, lyrical. My friend Tracy actually started belly dancing here a couple years ago. She was dancing and she kept trying to get me to do it, and I was in the process of changing careers at the time and going to school, and I just didn't have the time or the money, so I just, I kept putting it off. And finally I graduated and kind of got my life slowed down a little bit, and I said, hey, let me give this a shot. And so I started dancing and I got hooked. I drank the Kool-Aid, so.
The beloved art form. How did you come up with the name Anam? What does it mean?
Anam is actually Gaelic. It means friend of my soul. I know most belly dancing is Middle Eastern, but it's just that's something that has always stuck with me. Anam and
friend of my soul.
It's what I'm trying to create here in Frederick, and it's what I'm trying to create with the women that I dance with is, soul friends and people who want to go on this dance journey together.
Which is why we're not only both redheads, I mean, I am actually a redhead, and we're kindred spirits because we both, that's what we like about it.
Yeah, I just want to bring people together, community, just finding your tribe and finding people that share and have the same passion as you, because that's what makes it, dancing with people that share that is what makes it really fun. Exactly. So
this is your second session teaching belly dance, right?
It is, yes, yeah. I teach belly basics here.
And this is the culmination of like a 10-week,
12 weeks.
I think it's a 12-week, and the students some of them are brand new to belly dance?
Some of them brand new to dance. Completely new to dance.
Never done any other dance form before.
Yep, brand new to dance, brand new to belly dance. Some have minimal dance experience or very minimal belly dance experience.
And they're going to be performing tonight?
Yep.
For the first time?
Yes.
So when they started belly dance, did you tell them you're going to be doing a recital at the end of this 12 weeks?
I told them that it was optional, we have a recital, and that should the end, if they feel comfortable doing it, that they can. It's not mandatory, but I told them that it's a great opportunity and that it's just fun. Like, our goal here is just to have fun. Dance is fun. And so I don't want anybody to feel stressed out.
So this is a dance is fun stage. Now this is a beautiful stage with gorgeous lighting that you don't normally see it looking like this. This is awesome. Did any of the students say, I don't want to be in the recital?
A couple of them are hesitant. We'll see tonight. I don't know if they're going to do it or not. They're like, I'll see how I feel. So
you mean they're going to decide right before they get on stage?
Well, here, hopefully by the time they arrive, they'll know. I told them if they don't want to dance, just to come and check it out anyways. But hopefully they all will. They all seem like they want to dance.
Who are the audience members?
I have no idea. It's a surprise. I don't know who's coming. I don't even know if this many people will show up. I don't know if more.
So we might be the audience.
Yeah. So I have no idea. Okay. I know there'll be friends and family, but I really have no clue.
Oh, but you opened it up to the public.
Yeah. Whoever wants to show up can.
And dancers had no problem with that?
No.
They're like, okay, wow, so good. So what are the dances that are going to be presented tonight? Are they choreographed? Are they group, solos?
We have group dances and solos. So my Anam student troupe will be performing our Skyboat song, and then the Belly Basics class will be performing at the end our class dance. I'm going to be doing a solo Tracy's going to do a solo and Kelly's going to do a solo.
Did you choreograph all the dances,
No.
or each person did their own?
Kelly choreographed her own solo, and Tracy's solo was actually choreographed by Kristen, our old belly dance teacher. Then I choreographed all the group numbers in my solo.
Okay.
My goal was to bring in other belly dancers, such as yourself, to kind of showcase like what is out there in the belly dance world. What else can you see? So you're going to be showing us some live drumming, some zills, some veil. So I kind of wanted them to be able to see all the different elements that there are with belly dance.
Yeah. What are you looking forward to most about tonight?
Just sharing my dance with people, sharing my love of the dance and with the students, and giving the students that opportunity to just kind of get up there and showcase their hard work. I mean, they've worked really hard on this dance for 11 weeks. And so I really want them just to get up there and just have fun and just see that belly dancing is fun, that performing is fun. The greatest thing that I wanted to achieve was I just wanted the dancers to have fun and enjoy themselves and get to see what it was like to be a part of a performance like this. And from the feedback that I got, they all sounded like they did. So mission accomplished. It went great. It went fabulous. So much better than the last time.
I hope you've enjoyed watching the beginner belly dance student recital as much as we enjoyed being part of it. If you haven't already, please smash the like button and leave a comment of what was the most intriguing thing to you. And watch next our vlogs on our other Haflas, and you can watch our whole Hafla skills playlist, which goes into great detail about how to prepare for a Hafla if you're gonna have one. Okay, it's been awesome with you. Ma salama, we'll see you on the next video.